How to save a new contact on your iPhone. The process is quick and works on all iPhone models. Let's get started. First, open the Phone app on your iPhone. Then, tap the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new contact. Now, enter the person's first name and last name. Then, tap Add Phone and type in their phone number. If you'd like, you can also add an email address, text tone, birthday, or other details by tapping the available fields. Once you've entered all the information, tap Done in the top right corner. That's it! Your new contact has now been saved and will appear in your contacts list. You can also find it by opening the Contacts app or searching for the person's name using Spotlight Search. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.